to Merlin formation from the Royce Heritage Club. Absolute pleasure to welcome back these aircraft. We were expectantly hoping for the Spitfire yesterday, but now we have it in the hands of these two hugely experienced pilots. What are Rolls-Royce doing with these? Well, they're hoping to inspire, educate, promote aviation heritage through the operation of these rare and historically accurate aircraft and artifacts. Is to showcase their historic design and excellence and engineering, of course, and helping youngsters get on the pathway to modern technology and sustainable to all those subjects we hear about, science, technology, engineering and maths. Also promote the company and its interest in aviation through media, visits and promotional activities, but also they do one thing as well, exceptionally well, which is tell the story and commemorate those who fought for their country. Let's see a couple more maneuvers that continue to tailgate through the sky before then. Different parts or two individual displays. Opportunity once again to spoil today with the blending formation and then to have this pair so quickly on their heels. Just the sun at a perfect angle. I know for all you avid photographers out there, couldn't get much better than that, could it? Yeah, that's great. For all of the